In Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 13 to 14 says, "Now all has been heard. Here is the conclusion of the matter. Fear God and keep His commandments, for this is the duty of all mankind." Solomon spent his entire life and a massive fortune trying to find a shortcut to happiness. Nasa kanya na ang lahat, kayamanan at kapangyarihan, subalit nasabi niya pa rin na ang lahat ng ito ay walang kabuluhan. He realizes that meaning isn't found in what we accumulate, but in who we belong to. By saying, "Fear God and keep His commandments," He is pointing us toward an anchor. Ang pagkakaroon ng relasyon sa Diyos ang pinakamahalaga at may kabuluhan. Ito ay pagkilala na ang Diyos ang sentro ng ating buhay. When we stop trying to focus on material things and start trusting God, the meaningless chores and fleeting moments of our lives suddenly take on eternal weight. Every small act of kindness and every quiet moment of integrity matters because it is seen by the eternal.